Hello everybody, SF Sinpo here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to delete all Facebook posts at once. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and then go to the profile section and then click to the three-dot menu beside edit profile. After come to this page, just click to the activity log options and after come to this page, just scroll down and click to the view activity history. After that, click to the filter options and click to the categories options. After come to this page, just click to the your posts, which is first one, so click on that and click to the all options. So after that you will see all the posts you have did on your past. So if you want to delete those, then click to the three dot and click to the move to trash or move to archive, or if you want to delete something, so click to the move to trash option. So just tap on those. So that's the process how you can delete all the posts at once. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.